Just a go on. Right in people. You have to pick them. Ooh. Couple well that drop off my cheek well. Two beautiful crate people. Yeah man, they are try to carry out the crate them. See dog you want to attack me again. Nobody now call a dog. Greetings my beautiful people. You know what I mean, yard and abroad. Yes man, this morning my people. Yeah man, I want to deal with some mangoes to the people, some Julie mangoes. You see me, you know, I'm alone out there today. You see me, I go do the maths. You see me, but I go try my best as possible if we can make this video as epic as possible. So yeah man, stay tuned. Right now guys, yeah man, I make a new picker. Yeah, this is a picker where I used to pick the mangoes. Yeah man, and I have my crate. Yeah. Those two crates I have there, yeah man, and I don't know if I'm gonna get the two of them with mangoes today, but yeah, hope for the best, you know what I mean, I have a little order, so yeah man, I have to go out there, go try if it's where I can get, so stay tuned for that guys, yeah man, keep like up the channel, share up the channel, yeah man, make sure you leave a comment, you know what I mean, yeah man, so guys, yeah my people, fully active, you know people. Fully active out here people. Yeah man, I take time walk. Right now I'm there retreat scheme, you know. Yeah man, you know when I come look mango them place how it go already. Yeah man. Whole heap of sun at and them thing there. But don't worry about it people. Yeah man, you don't know. Stack up when you're on the hunting, you know. You see me? Yeah man, so stay tuned people. I don't know if you can see the mango tree them. In the background area and all of that. Yeah man, so you don't know that survives people. Yeah man. Just the right place more stop and out. You know? Yeah, but stay tuned people. They here outside I try. If you make a link, look how mango they are growing over there are the people. Look at mango over there are growing. Whole heap of mango are growing. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah man, but I saw it go out of them places. Yeah man, you know, but I feel like I can't go over a man place. Better call, ask. Yeah man, the police lock up your hey, you see me? Yeah man, over there man, I go on the right. Yeah man, see tree I want to make a link pan. Yeah man, that tree I want to make a link pan, my people. Pick it already, you know, and good while. Yeah, hope the hell are the inside and can help me, but yeah man, active out here people. Yeah man, normal, I lie. Yeah, they here man. So what you do? Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Yeah daddy. What you do daddy? Well, me not too bad, you know, me have to go and give God thanks and praise, you know. Well, me see little there, you know. Now I see where me can. Well, actually, right now, me not really. If it didn't, me will take it still, you know, but. It's alright, man. You have to say yes or no. My father, they're easy. Yeah, man, outside people. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Mango tree, this, you know, people. Yeah man, I climb and all people. Yeah man. Me I going right now. Right now my people. Man, up in that tree. Yeah daddy. Man go up here man. Yeah my people. Mango tree settings today. You see me? Don't know me how now rolling, me how now far. Matter how far you know they no matter how near you know they. Me how now far. Yeah man, far in my yard. You see me yard and not broad. You out here. If wasp bite me today, I wanna see anything. Active people. Active people. Yeah man, up in the crown of the mango tree there. Pick one no man. That we no mean so. We no live so, you know, man. Pick one for yourself, people. Yeah, man. Mango tree vibes. Yeah, man. Take a view upon SWICKED, you know. Yeah, man. Normal people outside. Sure, man. Yo. All I would have subscribed yet. Yo, you better subscribe now. What me say for you? Yeah, subscribe now. Hey, the amount of mango meat from Korea people. Whole heap of mango people. Yeah, man, me just consume mango some man. Right now, I want some bitters people. Yeah, no joke. This one is ain't no chicken or pork. Yeah, man, it's a mango settings to the people. Yeah, man, first one people. Yeah, man, going up back there. See back then people. I mean to fall. Put in the mango then I see. Yeah, man, I keep on updated dog one today people. You know not part today, you see me? Yeah, man. Then the hell I hear me attack and I wonder who me attack to for myself. Cause I don't tell you nothing people. Right now I'm supposed to see me laugh and I see mango strand in my teeth. That's the only ear that they can in my teeth, you see me? Mango ear. Trouble! I tell you, there are people that go and do the right thing, people. Yeah, man, I look mango, you see me? Some man all that change it, I call it different name. We know it as we call it as, man. I follow some man. They want to change it, but woman go. All kind of sitting. Any go at the same go. Talk truth now, man. Yeah, my people, me just there go and take time pick when I can't get my people. Don't know one cocoa full basket, see them my people, you see me? Yeah, man. Now I left out and nothing when I do in people. Yeah, man, see how I have to pick them. Ooh, couple well that drop off I chill coil my people. See me right out there, so people. May I come, daddy? Oh, man. Thank you very much, Dad. Yeah, man. Get a little bag here. People, I take time I get them. Take time I get them one and two, my people. Yeah, man, so I take time to them much. My thing, my God. Can't let him out. Once me have a couple of me have this same. Take time put them up nice and sweet people. Yeah, man. I have to pick them solid so and clean. Cause I know about Marley Museum. Them are going. Them have to have quality for people, you see me? Yeah. When them start right, them put them in the fridge, the freeze. So it take them what them cannot rotten, you know. Yeah, so them cannot have them to make them mellow moon and them stuff there. Some beautiful subscribers when you come home or come yard. Yeah, man, just remember stop by the Bob Marley Museum, show them a love, you know. Yeah, man, I can make them know djswicked vlogs. Even send you guys there, you know. Cause yeah, man, them is a big fans of me, not because when I really see them a comment and thing. Yeah, man, it's not them not really use the branch name on YouTube like that, especially workers. And I mean most of the workers them good like that, you see me, so yeah, people, that tight, you know. Yeah, man, but stay tuned for me. Continue to pick the mangoes, them people. Out here active. Yeah, man. Active out here, people. Active as well. Yeah, active people, man. Active. You see? Yeah, with all Jamaican mango people. Make smoothie, mellow moon. You see? Amen. Good old Mellow Moon, you know. Yeah, man. If you want to go by Bob Marley Museum, go check it out tonight and ask them for Mellow Moon, yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know when I get up, stand up. Yeah, man. Yeah, I have a liquid thing up there and I get up, stand up and something. Yeah, get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. You better know. Yo, my vlog of them. If you never yet go by a museum yet, you know, my boss, I want to know, check it out, you know. Nice place, you can have no family go tour. Yeah, man. I consider about for carrying my family on night time, go there to, you know, people. Yeah, man. That one will be a epic one. I tell you, at those time, with things you can know money. If you reach down there, because nothing cheaper than place, the first thing that. Yeah, man. So, we out here, people are trying to do right. Yeah, man. Out here, I try to do right, people. Make a better choice, you know. Thing that just broke, you know, people. Yeah, man. Soon check in again, yeah, people. Get down the buggy and forward. Yeah, man. Those are the green ones. I may have a few ripe ones there, you know. Yeah, man. So that's the vibes, people. Yeah, man. Getting the ball going, you know. Yeah, man. So right now, I reach out midfield with the ball, so. Don't worry about it, people. I take time to do the right thing, you know. Yeah, man. Mango vibes today. Yeah, man. Natural vibes, you know. You can see mango them coming from the tree like that. Same way too, so. See, me nah hide nothing, people. I just one thing I don't go see. Oh, me I climb the tree today, but. Yeah, man. Everything alright. Next time, you know, we can get to see how I climb the tree and stuff. You see me, but. Try my best to please, you know, as best as possible. Yeah, man. Mango tree vibe, my people. Don't know. djswicked vlogs out here. Yeah, man. Yeah, do the right. Right. Must have wonder what that. Yeah, people, I want to say bug nearly drop out of my hand star. Yeah. So nobody feel like I drop, me nearly drop as a people. The bag nearly drop, yeah? But today here, people, stay tuned. You have them little out this of a pick. Then me done it up so stay tuned. Notice all of me I show you so far disappear. Disappear. Yeah. So me there do the right thing, people. Yeah, man. They put one little finalize reaction, you know. Try to finalize. So, people, stay tuned with me. Tell them, feel like me I do a great job here. Get in and stuff right now. Yeah, man. Kinda awkward. Pull the camera and all of that. And if you do, what me I do, but what me I go do. By the sweat off up there, you shall eat bread, so. Can't sit down and look for say. You know? Me I go vex you, me nah nobody for work camera. Me have to find a way how to do it. So that me dey on right now, my people. Tell you the truth. Just a go on. Do the right thing, people. Yeah, man, I'm getting and forgetting. Something bite out piece of this speech. Even I can't see it. You could buy it out. So that is that. Yeah, man. I mean, I will make a bag up and come like it weak. You see people? Like it broke. Yeah, it broke. Furthermore down here. People. It's safe. Nice right on. People. Go and eat people. Go and great. Music that we out on road, you know, people. And that's where you can hear it. No far that you know music well loud. And I want vehicle apart. Only in Jamaica. You have vehicle with those loud music, man. Yeah, man. And rule the country. Yeah, man. You know, I see how I stretch that mango the require people. Yeah. I must get little longer now. Two of me have to stretch. That's here. Yeah, man. Tell them my people. But me I go on. See bug actually. Feet full of people. As you can see, I stretch me, I feel stretch out. That's some cool. People. Oh, another one here. Nice and sweet people. That's a vibe, see. Gonna do right, people. Right. Burn out the wrong, you know. Wipe on the wrong thing. Yeah. From with you, man, I say everything, the man, they say wipe. They can't say zito. Yeah. I like, it's a question, they ask you, they say why still. I swear. The bag full of people. See it there? Man, got out to drop out people, so go take down this ground. Right now, I see like all the young light out the bus, look. So, I have to go carry it down, people. Yeah, man. Put my day here again, people. As I can see up in the mango tree point with the people. Yeah, man, and those are the nice, pretty mangoes, beautiful mangoes. As you can see, me clean majority around this surrounding already. Yeah, man, so right at them part they leave now, people. So stay tuned for that, you know. Yeah, man, video go on. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, in a tree with the people. Yeah, man, in a tree. Yo, out there. Yeah, them big tree in a people. Yo, if you never yet like or share, do the right thing. If you never yet comment, leave a comment here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Do the right thing here. Two beautiful, great people. Yeah, man. Hope you guys full enjoy this video, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Stay tuned for when I carry them out, you know? Yeah, man, it's a vibes, people. Yeah, man. Man, by the sweat of February shall eat bread, sit down and a look. Nothing now go on. Yeah, man, so you have to put your shoulder to the wheel more while. Yeah, man. Sometime, you know, make you brush off and try again. Well, enough time, I have to brush off and go again, you know. Well, I do it, people. Yeah, man. Just continue to like up the channel and subscribe, you see me? Stay tuned for me carry them out and now go road. Yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, me there try to carry out create them people. Yeah, man, try head to the road, you know. Yeah, man, say, you know, that's the vibes. Mango settings, people. Yeah, man, outside today I look mango. Yeah, man, don't know. We carry them find a scheme, go to the road, people. Yeah, man, so stay tuned, people. Road me I head to right now. You see me? Yeah, man. As they say, lazy man no eat, you know, people. Yeah, man, we no feed lazy man, you see me? You know, want to do nothing we no see you. Yeah, man, because food have to eat, brother. So yeah, you have to go hustle sometime. You see me? I want to know some people, bro, call them pitney bad, they never want to teach them to do nothing. What kind of man and woman they feel like them pitney are going to turn later on in this world? Eh? Oh, we have to buckle up our shoes, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tell her one that. Yeah, man, so people, I feel like I cut it short, alright, that's how I put it down. So you wanna stay tuned for that one, people. The one that road already so far, people. Yeah, man. So I go for the next one and forward, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So stay tuned, people. Fast movements, me have to dip on the car. Roadside that left enough people. See me, can't be a fool out here. Yeah, man. I don't like how up on my place me there, can't run risk, so. If you're more speedy. Speedy! Yo! People! Yeah, man! Out here, people, retreat scheme. Looking mangoes! Yeah, people! Yeah, so, people, let's continue the right thing for me. Tell a friend, watch out. Watch out, people. Watch out. Dog, I rush me, yeah? Dog, I rush me, people. Yeah, man, you get catch on the camera, too, you know? You fudge. Better now and get catch on the camera. Fudge, I can create no damage out here. Yes, people. You see, say it's a good long walk me have to do, people. Yeah, man, but me I get there, people. Get in there! Yo! Yeah, man, I want to go nice. Yeah, people. Look at my face, how it's ugly. Can't chat, you see, man, though. Why can't chat at that? So why people I say that don't not say that? Don't not say me love chat. Trouble. Yeah. Me fit tell you good though. Yeah, man. One to go. Yeah, daddy, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, man. Hey, God, Jah know the elder say, he might give me a 2 bills to make up my fear. Yeah, man, I don't know. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. You don't know, you still have some good people out there, you know, people. Yeah, man, I have to share that little love, you know. Yeah, man. So it's a joy, people. Remember, I left to create a road, so. Yeah, man, out there again, people. Out again with the next one. You see me and to go. Keep moving. Don't know the Matsko people. See me? Outside again. With a epic one. You know what I mean? Make sure you keep like and share and subscribe. Yeah. And for all who say me love talk, you know I enjoy them vlog, yeah, man. You know I full joy to the max. So you see for that. But I chat there with me, I chat the quiet. I just want to just click the like button for that. You see me? Yeah, man. See dog, you want to tap me again. But you don't know say me have him on camera, right? Yeah, man. You don't know say me have him on camera. Yeah. Have him on camera. Nobody now call a dog. Wait, nobody now call a dog. No, me I say we call him. Because make sure me have him on my camera in YouTube. YouTube, me I show him up on later. Yeah, people. People must say dog now bite a soul. Like a rubber teeth you have. But there, man. Active. Everything we catch. Trouble. Out here, people. Normal Jamaica lifestyle. All when me have to create a mango for me, the people and dog want me. And me are no thief. Trouble. Hey, me say if you that dog there with the rush blick while just give me 500 like on this. You see me I want 5,000 like too, if you know. Yeah, man. I feel like one artist, you know. Yeah, man. Whole heap of like and comment. You see me? Yeah, man. Continue to do the right thing, people. Share it on every social media platform, people. Yeah, man. And feel like people them have a Lego dog them. And now put them up and I talk about now call them. Mine now have to pay millions of dollars for dog bite, yeah? Yeah, man. You need to put up on a dog them, see? Yeah, man. Yard and broad me I talk to. You see me? We out here, people. Active! Active! Sooner or later.